Alright guys, so this is the new Central Park Reef in Barretto. Brand new. I think it's only been open a couple months, but as you can see, pretty nice. Nice big tub, see-through glass, nice sink, mirror, nice shower. It looks like a built-in rainforest, and then it's got that nice tile floor. So yeah, this is really nice. I'm kind of excited to stay here. This closet, not very deep, but assuming there's a safe, there is. Nice flat screen on the wall. Looks like it's got, I'm not really sure what this is. It's almost like a silverware drawer if you would like do an extended stay here or something. That could almost be sink. It's got a little mini fridge. Won't use any of that. It costs you an arm and a leg. It's got a little work center here with a chair, very nice. Nice chair over here to lounge on. Really nice big bed. And I think this is pretty cool though, really, honestly, is that see-through shower. Or see-through tub, actually. That's that. There's another shot of the shower again. Let's look out here and see if there's any view. I don't think that there probably is, but we can see. Nice deck, but it's just kind of a view of the back porch. Whatever, you can see the ocean there a little bit. So yeah, very nice place actually. I don't know if it was a promo deal or what, but I only paid like $70. Look at the high crown ceilings. Pretty cool chandelier deal there. But yeah, I don't know if it was a promotion because it's New Year's Eve or what, but like I said, I only paid $70 for this. And pretty nice place. So I've been traveling for about 26 hours and I really need a shower. So that's all for now.